Adjectives of quality and quantity. In this module, you will identify, describe and use adjectives to describe nouns and pronouns and differentiate between adjectives of quality and adjectives of quantity.
It's a full moon night. Sophie, accompanied by her 3 cousins, Sid, Alicia and Neil, and their dog Diamond, decides to explore the haunted bungalow of Mr. Watson. Mr. Watson was a sailor who went missing 30 years ago. Many believe that the ghost of Mr. Watson still lives in his bungalow. The children want to prove them wrong. Let's find out what happens to Sophie and her cousins when they explore the haunted house. As soon as the children enter, they step into a whirlpool that leads them to a special hall.
Welcome to my bungalow. I am the ghost of Mr. Watson.
Ghost? What do you want?
I want you all to work as my servants. Now, you cannot go out of this house. Each one of you will stay here forever.
No, I want to go back home. My parents must be worried.
You want to go back home? Well, for that, you will have to find the key that opens the gate. And to find the key, you will have to solve a mystery. But let me tell you, it won't be easy. Are you ready to solve the mystery?
Mystery? But yes, we will do anything to go back home.
Your first clue is, I am very colorful, big or small, put in a frame and hung on a wall.
Hung on a wall? Is it a calendar?
No, a calendar isn't framed. It must be something else. I know what it is. It is a painting. Look, there it is on the wall. Hey, look, there's another clue in this sheet. It says, I may be beaded or coral, silver, gold or floral. I have a metal catch to open and close. My true value, only a woman knows. I think I know the answer. It's a necklace. Yes, you are right. Now where do we find a necklace? Well, it's a necklace. It has to be in a closet.
Here, with this necklace, we have found our next clue. The clue is, I may be narrow, round or long. If I am of crystal, I won't be strong. Flowers find their home in me. I am kept on a table or in the gallery.
I know what it is. Come after me. Here it is. It's a vase. Our next clue is inside the vase. Without 10 fingers, I point. Without 2 arms, I strike. Without 2 feet, I run. If you think of time, you have almost won. Well, point, strike. Is it a bow and arrow?
But it doesn't run. And what about time?
Time, a clock. Is it a clock? Yes, look, the clock is hung over there.
Did you notice something unusual about the clock? One of its arms is in the shape of a key. I think this is our key. Let's take it out. Hooray! We have found the key.